Hey, what's up guys, update all of you doing well. So if you guys want an early access of the Samsung weather app on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra without installing the OneUi 8 update, so that is now possible. So this is how the weather app looks like before the OneUi 8 update. Or you can say this is the older version of the weather app on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But today we will upgrade it to the latest one. If we talk about the version number, so this is the version number right now. A special thanks to Galaxy Techie on X for providing this information about the new weather app. I will drop the download link in the description. You can download it from there. Then you have to install it. Simply tap on it and tap on update. And once it is updated, you can now open it. And after opening, you will get to see that your weather app's animation has been completely changed. This is the new UI of your weather app and it is looking really amazing. Now the weather app looks a lot more cleaner and more accurate. I really like the new UI of this weather app. Let me know your thoughts on this new UI in the comment section below. And if you talk about the version number, so from the version number you can get to see that the version number is also updated of this weather app. And by any chance, if you are facing some bugs or issues with this new weather app, so you can uninstall the latest update as well. For that, long press on the weather app, then tap on this app info and tap on these three dots, then tap on uninstall updates. This will uninstall your latest update and you can return to the default weather app. I am not facing any bugs or issues with this new weather app. Let me know if you're facing any in the comment section below. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new weather app that you guys can try out on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.